Hey guys, how's it going? It's Sean here. Let's go over the market a little bit since we did have a very interesting day. Market started off with a very aggressive gap down. I didn't really read too much news in depth as to why we were having such a large gap down, but I know that the partial reason for this is due to the Tesla factory orders coming out a lot worse than expected. So that can be a factor. Obviously, it's not the only reason. But as far as technicals, we are barely hanging on to the annual trendline support here, which is going to be this annual mega support that we've had since you could even connect it all the way to back here from November 2023, right? And we are still hanging on to the why won't my chart reset? There you go. Okay, the 200 EMA on the hourly, we did in fact close just literally like 5 6 cents below the 200 EMA, and overnight, let's see what the futures are doing. We are trading a little lower. Uh, Obviously, we still have another 12 hours until market. We also do have some data coming out later this week as well. So we don't I don't personally know, of course, where the market's exactly headed, but we did talk about that this trend line level is a very critical level, and 518 demand zone was also a very critical set of demand zone. And in fact, we broke it briefly, and we tapped our next downside PT, which was the 516 level. Let me show it to you guys in a hourly chart perspective. So we broke the previous pivot highs, right? And we tapped right at this 516 order block, and we saw the midday reversal, but we still, failed to really close in a bullish perspective. Uh, as far as daily charts concerned, we did defend the 221 EMA, which is my purple line here. Sorry if you can't see it too well here, but um, acting as a very nice support here, the 21 EMA. So that's a good sign for the bulls. What bulls need to do, either tomorrow or eventually, we're going to have to recapture the 520 level. Right, I know we talked about the 518 level being the key level. However, to see continuation to the upside, we will need 520, because this was a level where once we held it and broke out above it, we're able to achieve 526, right? So this is the level to watch for SPY, which is my orange line here. Otherwise, shorts can work if we somehow invalidate 518 once again, whether it's overnight right before the market or tomorrow or Thursday. If we invalidate the 518, let me get my arrow tool real quick. To do something like this, we can look to get into shorts at a retest and reject of this price level. Okay, and what would my downside PT be? It would be the 515.85 level here, or the 516 level. Okay, but I think that if this is the actual pullback that we are making outside of this annual trendline channel here, we should be able to take out the 516 and go all the way down to 511, 510 level, which is going to get a little ugly, because now then we're escaping the bull trend here, right? And who knows how lower we can go. So that would be my idea. For upside, I really want to see SPY hold above 520. Then I think that bulls are a little safe. And in fact, we might make another new high, possibly the 530s, if we do reclaim 520, because of the liquidation that we caught down here. Or not we, but the market maker. So there's a lot of orders going on right here, a lot of liquidity. So if we do reclaim 520, I'll be very much more confident going long there. Otherwise, any corrective bounce, I feel that shorts make more sense as of now. All right. See you guys in a bit. I'll keep you guys updated with the market.